To add AI light effects to photos in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all you will need to open the camera app on your device. Next step is to look for a photo mode, and when you enter it, look for those stars icon. If you select this icon, you'll be able to add a stars or a hearts to your photos. Now you will need to point it at something and then take a photo. If we check the photo, there's actually no stars because it only works in the light. So, or there was stars, and you can see them actually right here. So it basically uses the light on the photos when there's too much too much exposure, and then places this effect of stars or hearts on it. It's barely visible right here, but it adds this cool effect to it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.